Hello and welcome back to this accordion repair video. We're now at the point where we're going to clean the mechanism on the bass side. Now I've done a bit of research on this and I'm going to attempt to do it with this stuff. This is Servicol IPA 170. It's an isopropyl alcohol, mainly because everything I've read has stated that you shouldn't use oil on an accordion, so we're not going to do that. There is a silicone based product that a couple of people recommended, but I don't have access to any of that. The reason for using Servicol is it doesn't leave a residue, and the idea being that we'll be able to clean all of the parts and hopefully the mechanism will work smoother. Having used this stuff before, there is a chance of it spraying back in your eyes. I tend to find that it actually dries your skin out if it comes into contact, so I'm going to wear gloves and an eye mask, and let's get started. So here I am, all ready and set to go. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean or remove some particles of dust, and then we'll get on to using the Servicol. So now this is compressed air. Be any air coming there. There doesn't seem to be any dust particles you can see coming out there. It's the one with the isopropyl alcohol. And what happens with this stuff is it's very liquidy, but it dries very quickly. That should be enough. I've just noticed that I should have included this section behind here, so we're just going to spray along here so that all of this mechanism gets cleaned, and then we'll just move the switch in and out a bit. Just seem to be moving a little bit smoother, but that might be my perception. So what we should do now is we should leave that for probably about an hour. I'm just going to move the switches so that all of the mechanism gets lubricated, and I'm just going to dry up the excess alcohol, which is, you may not be able to see, but it's round here. Just a quick update. This is after about 25 minutes. Most of the isopropyl alcohol is evaporated, and you can just see where the wood is still damp. So it does evaporate really quite quickly. So I'm going to leave it overnight, and we'll have a look at it tomorrow. So here is the finished mechanism. It still seems a little sluggish, but it looks nice and clean. I actually think it should be sort of moving into there, but we're going to put it all back together and see what happens. So thanks very much for watching. If you like what I do, hit the subscribe button and that little bell, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much. Bye bye.